Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can be offline on Steam. By that I mean you don't have to close your Steam to be offline. There's a setting you can turn that on and other people or your friends will not know if you're online or not because it's constantly going to show them offline. So let me show you how to do that. And before I show you the step, the first thing is open Steam. After you open Steam, you want to click on your friends option at the top left corner. And on your friends, you can see all this option. Now right now it's ticked on online, which means my friends will know that I'm online because I am online. So what I need to do is click on await. If I click on await, then when my friend tries to look into my name, it's going to show them await. Now let's say you don't want your friends to know that you're away. You want your friends to know that you're offline. So for that you need to tick offline, all right? If this offline is tick marked, then basically even if you're online, your friends are going to think that you're offline. And if you want to be invisible, you can click on invisible and your name will be invisible. So that is basically how you guys can go offline on Steam. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.